SolidContact hosts several dedicated servers to monitor SolidWorks design activity throughout the enterprise. As CAD models and drawings are added or updated, essential information is collected and published to the SolidContact website. Images, metadata, and 3D renderings are collected for every CAD model configuration. Bill of materials from each assembly configuration is collected. DXF flat pattern files are created and flat dimensions, punch features, and material information is collected for every sheet metal part configuration. PDFs are made from every SolidWorks drawing file. All this information is immediately available from the SolidContact Catalog Search webpage, which is available to all users globally. Several search filters are provided to facilitate the search process, and the result list can be sorted by any column. The search results are linked to all available outputs and are expandable to reveal all available details.